Doing our shotcrete today. The guys are pumping it in through the front with the trucks and their pump, and then they put all of this plastic up here to protect the house. We do not want to get concrete all over the house or on any fencing or walls. Okay, so this is why we're setting it up this way. The guys are in the spa right now, and they're cutting in the steps and the walls, and they're getting everything nice and square and plumb. So before you get to this process, before you call your shotcrete truck, you need to make sure your first inspection is passed. That's the inspection for your ground, making sure that ground wire is in and the setbacks are correct from all property line walls. You got to make sure your plumbing is in, your water plumbing and your gas, if you have gas lines, and the plumber needs to put those lines under pressure. Okay, the inspector's going to come out, he's going to look at those gauges on those lines and make sure that they are at the pressure that needs to be in your area. And then also we have a rough electrical inspection that needs to be done at the same time, and the electrical needs to be hooked up to the panel and your pull equipment, so everything is all ready to go before you can even call this truck out here to start doing this process. We're going to need to make sure that your steel's in and it's lined up with the engineering on the plans. Okay, that's why the engineering is so important, because the inspector's going to make sure that this steel is lined up with your engineering plan, okay, so they can pass inspection. And if, once all that's done and the inspector comes out, he's going to pass the inspection, then you can call for this process to start. You can call your shotcrete company. They'll line it up based on how big your pool is. They'll know how many trucks to use. They'll know how many how far to space them apart as far as when they come out here. They'll do all that for you. And once you get your inspection, call them up, get them out here, and then you're gonna have a pool in like less than a day. Boom. Thanks.